The SCHOEPS double MS plugin allows you to flexibly and intuitively decode the 3 microphone signals of a double MS setup. The approach is very similar to how A-format ambisonic microphones are decoded, as the plugin allows you to create virtual microphones on the horizontal plane. The end result is a very simple and powerful way of decoding the double MS signals to stereo or surround. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to set up the plugin in Nuendo. The plugin can be used as either a send effect or an insert effect. I will be explaining how to use both methods, but please keep in mind that using the plugin as a send effect is a recommended method. For both methods, you first need to create either a 5.0, 5.1, or 6.0 output bus. You can do this by going into Studio and then Audio Connections. Then click on the Outputs tab and add your desired bus. Make sure that the routing matches how your speakers are set up. Now we can set up the plugin. To use the plugin as a send effect, you first need to create a group track. Make sure that the configuration and the output routing is set to what you chose as your output bus. Then insert the plugin in the inserts chain of the track. Now create 3 mono tracks for the 3 double MS signals. You can do this easily by simply dragging the audio files from your file explorer into Nuendo. Then route the 3 mono tracks to the group track you created. The routing configuration is also important and must follow what is shown here. So, using the mixing console, route the front-facing cardioid track to the left input of the group track, the figure of 8 track to the right input, and the rear-facing cardioid track to the center input. Now you should be good to go. To use the plugin as an insert plugin, you will have to create a single multi-channel WAV file for your 3 double MS signals, which we can do in Nuendo. First, we need to create a 3-channel output bus. Go to Studio and then Audio Connections. Go to the Outputs tab and create an LCR output bus. Although not necessary for this tutorial, you can set the output routing to match your speaker setup for future use. Now create 3 tracks that output to LCR. Then drag your 3 double MS signals into these tracks. We need to route the 3 signals to separate channels, but it's important to make sure that the signal order of the WAV file matches the order shown on the screen. The first or left signal must be the signal from the front-facing cardioid. The second or right signal has to be the figure of 8 signal. And the third or center signal has to be the rear-facing cardioid. Finally, we can export our multi-channel WAV file. Select the region you want to export. Then go to File, Export, and then Audio Mixdown. Make sure to select LCR out in the channel selection. Then press Export and you should have your multi-channel WAV file. Now that we have our WAV file, we can use the plugin as an insert effect. Create either a 5.0, 5.1, or 6.0 audio track, depending on what you chose as an output bus. Drag the multi-channel WAV file into this track. Then insert the plugin into the inserts chain and you should be good to go. If you have any further questions about the double MS plugin or about any of our other products, you can reach us using the contact form at scheps.de. Thank you for watching.